Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Speaking Show. Today, we will discuss New Year's Eve traditions around the world.
Hi, Ella, and hello to all of you. We will learn interesting traditions, useful phrases, and how people celebrate in different countries.
Jake, have you heard about any unusual New Year's traditions?
Yes, I just heard that people in Spain eat 12 grapes at midnight.
Yes, that is true.
12 grapes? In less than 1 minute?
Exactly. One grape for each clock chime.
That sounds difficult.
And in Denmark, people smash plates on doors.
What? They break plates?
Yes. And in Japan, temple bells ring 108 times.
108?
The world has so many interesting New Year's traditions. We will explore traditions from different countries.
Food traditions, clothing traditions, and more.
You will learn how people celebrate around the world.
And you will learn useful English phrases too.
Jake, shall we start with food?
Yes, Ella, I love food and food traditions.
Okay, our first tradition is from Spain.
Spain, the 12 grapes tradition.
Exactly. You already know about it.
But tell me more. How does it work?
At midnight, the clock chimes 12 times,
Okay.
and people eat one grape for each chime.
So 12 grapes in 12 seconds?
No, but one grape per every 2 to 3 seconds.
That is still very fast.
You have to chew and swallow quickly.
Like chew, 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 very fast.
Exactly like that.
What if I choke on a grape?
Then you start the year coughing.
Not a good start.
There is a reason for this tradition.
What is the reason?
Each grape represents 1 month of the year.
Oh, 12 months, 12 grapes.
If you finish all 12 grapes on time,
Yes.
you will have good luck for all 12 months.
That is a beautiful tradition.
I would love to try this tradition.
Me too, but I will practice first.
Practice?
Yes, I will eat grapes every second. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Jake, you are not at midnight yet.
I need to be ready.
Okay. You know, this tradition comes from Spain, but many countries do it now.
Really? Which countries?
Mexico, Colombia, and many Latin American countries. Now, let's talk about another food tradition.
From which country?
From the Philippines.
Oh, what do people in the Philippines do?
They display 12 round fruits on the table.
12 again.
Yes, 12 fruits for 12 months.
What kinds of fruits?
Watermelon, grapes, oranges, apples.
All round fruits.
Exactly. Round is very important
Why round?
because round shapes look like coins.
Oh, coins mean money.
Yes, round fruits symbolize prosperity.
So, more round fruits, more money?
That is the belief.
Then I need 100 round fruits.
Jake, 12 is the tradition.
Okay. 12 round fruits.
Families put the fruits in the center of the table.
It must look very colorful and beautiful.
Yes, watermelon is green, oranges are orange, grapes are purple.
A rainbow of prosperity.
By the way, if you are enjoying these traditions,
Please like and subscribe to our channel.
we share real English lessons like this every week. You know, Jake, colors are important in other traditions too.
What do you mean?
In some countries, people wear special colors on New Year's Eve.
Colors on clothing?
Yes, let me tell you about it. In Brazil, millions of people wear white on New Year's Eve.
White. Why white?
White symbolizes peace and spiritual cleansing.
So everyone wears white clothing?
Yes, and they go to the beach at midnight.
The beach. That sounds beautiful.
Millions of people, all wearing white on the sand.
Wow, it must look amazing.
It does, like a sea of white.
A white ocean next to the real ocean.
Exactly.
Why do they go to the beach?
They jump over 7 waves. We will talk about that tradition later.
Jump over waves? I want to hear more.
Patience, Jake. First, let's finish talking about clothing.
Okay.
I love this tradition. White is so peaceful.
Yes, and everyone matches.
It creates unity and harmony.
Do other countries have clothing traditions too?
Yes, the Philippines has a very fun one.
What is the Philippines clothing tradition?
People wear polka dots.
Polka dots? Like dots on clothing?
Yes, shirts, dresses, pants, anything with polka dots.
But why polka dots?
Because the dots are round.
Round again. Like the fruits.
Exactly. Round shapes look like coins.
So polka dots represent money and prosperity.
Yes, Filipinos believe polka dots bring wealth.
Then I need a polka dot suit.
A whole suit of polka dots.
I would look very spotted.
But very prosperous.
This is my favorite clothing tradition so far.
Mine too. It is fun and stylish.
So we learned about food and clothing traditions.
Yes, food brings luck. Clothing brings luck.
What about water? Do people use water for luck?
Great question. Let me tell you about Brazil again.
Brazil has another tradition?
Yes, a beautiful one with ocean waves. In Brazil, people jump over 7 ocean waves at midnight.
7 waves? In the ocean?
Yes, they go to the beach wearing white.
The white clothing we just talked about.
Exactly. And then they run into the water.
Is the water cold?
Sometimes, but people still do it.
Why 7 waves? Why not 5 or 10?
7 is a lucky number in many cultures.
Okay.
And each wave represents one wish.
Oh, so you make 7 wishes.
Yes, you jump over one wave and make one wish.
7 waves, 7 wishes for the new year.
Exactly. It is a very hopeful tradition. Would you try this tradition, Jake?
Yes, but maybe in warm water.
Fair enough.
Are there more traditions with noise and sound?
Oh, yes. Japan has a very peaceful one.
Noise, but peaceful? How?
You will see. Hey, friends watching. We just shared many traditions with you.
Which tradition sounds most interesting to you?
Comment below. A for grapes, B for polka dots, C for jumping waves.
We love reading your answers.
Now, Jake wants to know about noise traditions.
Yes, tell me about Japan.
In Japan, Buddhist temples ring bells on New Year's Eve.
How many times?
108 times.
108? That is a very specific number.
Yes, there is a special reason.
What is the reason?
In Buddhism, people have 108 earthly desires.
Earthly desires? What does that mean?
Things like greed, anger, jealousy, negative feelings.
Oh, things that make us unhappy.
Exactly. Each bell ring cleanses one desire.
So after 108 rings,
You start the new year with a clean heart.
that is beautiful.
People listen to the bells very quietly.
They do not celebrate loudly?
Not during the bells, they listen peacefully.
It sounds very calm and spiritual.
It is very different from fireworks.
I like both. Peaceful bells and loud fireworks.
You want everything.
Why not? It is New Year's Eve.
That is true. Different countries, different styles.
Speaking of loud, what about Denmark?
Oh, Denmark has a very loud tradition.
Louder than fireworks?
Oh, yes.
What is Denmark's loud tradition?
People throw old plates at their friends' doors.
What? They throw plates?
Yes, they smash plates on doors.
But that breaks the plates.
Exactly. Breaking plates is the point.
I do not understand.
Broken plates bring good luck in Denmark.
How?
It shows friendship. You throw plates at your friends' houses.
So, more broken plates mean more friends.
Yes, if you have many broken plates at your door.
You have many friends.
Exactly. It also banishes bad luck from the old year.
This is such a strange tradition.
Would you throw plates, Jake?
Maybe small plates?
Not big ones?
Big plates make too much noise.
But you said you like loud celebrations.
True. Okay, I will throw big plates.
Now, there are traditions about movement and travel, too.
Movement. Like walking?
Yes, with an empty suitcase.
Empty suitcase? What do you mean?
In Colombia and Mexico, people walk around the block with an empty suitcase.
Why empty?
Because it represents travel and adventure.
Oh, so the empty suitcase will fill with trips.
Exactly. It is like making a wish for travel.
Do they walk slowly or quickly?
Very quickly. Some people run.
They run around the block with suitcases?
Yes, as fast as they can.
That sounds like exercise.
It is. Exercise and hope for the new year.
So they hope to travel more in the new year.
Yes, new places, new experiences, new adventures.
I love this tradition. I want to travel more too.
Me too. Maybe we should try it.
Should we run around the studio with empty suitcases?
Maybe later.
Are there traditions about who enters your house first?
Yes, Scotland has a very specific one. In Scotland, the first person to enter your house after midnight is very important.
The first person? Why?
They believe this person brings luck for the whole year.
So anyone can be the first person?
No, it must be a specific type of person.
Specific? What do you mean?
The person should be tall and have dark hair.
Tall and dark hair? That is very specific.
Yes, this tradition is very old. It comes from Viking times.
Vikings? That is hundreds of years ago.
Scottish people did not want blonde Vikings entering their homes.
So dark hair meant not a Viking.
Exactly. Dark hair meant safety.
Does this person bring anything?
Yes, they bring symbolic gifts.
What kinds of gifts?
Coal for warmth, whiskey for drink, shortbread for food.
Oh, the basic needs.
Exactly. Heat, drink, and food.
Ella, am I tall and dark-haired?
You have dark hair.
Then I can be a first footer for someone.
Yes, just bring coal, whiskey, and shortbread.
Coal, whiskey, shortbread, grapes, polka dots, ocean waves.
What are you thinking about, Jake?
All these different traditions from around the world. We just learned about so many traditions.
We really did.
And I noticed something interesting.
What did you notice?
Many traditions use the number 12.
Yes, 12 grapes in Spain, 12 fruits in the Philippines.
And many traditions focus on good luck and prosperity.
Food, clothing, actions, all for good fortune.
Every culture wants a happy new year.
That is what connects us all.
Different countries, different traditions.
But the same hope for happiness. Now, we will teach you how to describe traditions.
These phrases are very useful.
You can use them to talk about traditions from your country.
Ready? Here are the phrases.
Phrase 1. In my country, people.
In my country, people.
Phrase 2. This tradition represents.
This tradition represents. Phrase 3. They believe it brings.
They believe it brings.
Phrase 4. It symbolizes.
It symbolizes. Now, I will use these phrases together.
Okay.
In my country, people wear red. This tradition represents good luck. They believe it brings happiness. It symbolizes joy.
Perfect. You used all 4 phrases.
Excellent work.
You just learned about traditions from around the world.
Now, we have a challenge for you.
Tell us, what is a New Year tradition in your country?
Use the phrases we just taught you.
For example, in my country, people.
Describe it in the comments below.
If this lesson helped you, please like and subscribe to our channel.
We share English lessons every week.
It helps us reach more English learners around the world. Happy New Year's Eve to everyone!
See you in our next lesson.
Goodbye!